You know, if I had to start it all over again, it doesn't matter. You drop me off anywhere that there's a population of people, that there is a currency, that there's a currency, and that people have a medium of exchange for a product, and that there's a need for a product. This is not being arrogant. I believe that I could be dropped off anywhere. You put me in a parachute, blindfold me, drop me off. I don't speak the language, and I believe that I'll become a multi-millionaire in those particular areas, as long as the opportunity has the ability to expand. Okay, if I can expand the opportunity and build a global business, you give me 2 years, I'll be a multi-millionaire. And it's why? Because, as I said before, believe much bigger, much sooner. And so I believe that it's going to happen. I already know the skill sets. I know the work habits. I know what's required. Fear pushes me. It's going to motivate me. I'm not going to get so distracted by the no's or whatever it is. I've gone through all of that stuff already. So I keep pushing forward. I know that the opportunity is viable. It's a couple of years on the multi-millionaire, no matter where I am, no matter what country it is, no matter what language it is, as long as it's legal. We have a democracy where people can go out and do business and not get put in jail for being successful. That's what's going to happen. And so it doesn't matter where. There's nothing specific, a particular area that I need to be, that don't need to be in America, don't need to be in the places I'm most familiar with. I'm most familiar with my process. And my process works anywhere. So.